Today I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in Figma. This is a fundamental skill that helps you customize your workspace and give your designs the perfect backdrop they need. First things first, open your Figma application. Once you're in, navigate to the project where you want to make these background changes. This could be any design file you're currently working on, whether it's a website mockup, app interface, or any other creative project. Now here's where it gets interesting. Click on any area outside of your frame. This is important because clicking outside the frame allows you to access the page level settings rather than individual frame properties. You'll notice that by doing this, you're essentially selecting the canvas itself, which gives you control over the overall workspace appearance. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a panel labeled Page. Under this section, you'll find a color picker. Click on this color option, and you'll be able to choose whatever background color you want for your entire page. This is the backdrop that sits behind all your frames and design elements. Take a moment to select a color that works well with your overall design scheme. Maybe you want a clean white background, a dark mode aesthetic, or something more vibrant depending on your project needs. Now, if you want to change the frame color specifically, the process is slightly different. Click directly on the frame you want to modify. This selects that particular frame and brings up its individual properties. On the right side panel, look for an option labeled Fill. This is where you control the background color of the frame itself, not the page behind it. Click on the Fill color picker and choose the background color you want for that specific frame. This gives you much more granular control over your design, allowing different frames to have different backgrounds within the same project. The difference between these two methods is crucial. The page background affects your entire workspace, while the frame fill only changes that specific frame. Understanding this distinction helps you create more organized and visually appealing designs where you can differentiate between different sections or states of your project. And that's it. You've now learned how to customize both your page background and individual frame colors in Figma, giving you complete control over your design environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.